Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to unsubscribe from a membership in the Patreon app. So basically what you need to do is first install the Patreon app and log in as a member. After logging in as a member, what you need to do is open it. Okay. Now this is the Patreon app, as you can see, and here I have been following a person which name is CZE and Peku. So this is a page, and since I want to unsubscribe it, I will click on the page. After clicking on the page, here I can see three dots. These three dots will be showing share, leave membership, and report. Now in order to unsubscribe to a Patreon, just click on leave membership. After clicking on leave membership, it will automatically unsubscribe your membership, and now you can here see that it's again saying me to join the community or see membership options. Now this is how you unsubscribe in the Patreon app. Now if you want to unsubscribe from paid membership, what you need to do is just go to the profile, click on my membership. After clicking on my membership, you will see the memberships which are allowed. So if you are having a paid membership, you will have an option of unsubscribing just like this free membership. So this is how you unsubscribe in a membership. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.